Today in this video we will learn about how to uninstall WordPress manually. For that, log into cPanel and then go to File Manager section. Now here, go inside public_HTML. Now go to your WordPress Installation Directory. If your WordPress is installed directly inside public_HTML, then simply go ahead towards wp-config.php file and view it. Note down the DB name and DB user given here. Now go to your MySQL Database section inside cPanel. Now delete that affiliated database that you saw earlier at wp-config.php file. Now similarly delete affiliated database user. Now go to WordPress Installation Directory and delete the complete WordPress website files.